Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Patil. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is meant by the MEDRA, then what are the use of MEDRA, then objective of MEDRA, purpose of MEDRA and hierarchy of MEDRA. Let's start one by one. So firstly, meaning of MEDRA. The MEDRA is a stand for Medical Dictionary for Regulatory Activities. Then the definition of MEDRA. The MEDRA is a clinically validated international medical terminology used by regulatory authorities and the regulated biopharmaceutical industry. The terminology is used through the entire regulatory process from the pre-marketing to the post-marketing and for data entry, retrieval, evaluation and presentation. This is all about the definition of MEDRA. Then MEDRA coding. The terminology for coding all medical information obtained during all phase of development and marketing. So, first is the disease, second is the sign and symptom, third is the diagnosis, fourth is the indication, fifth is the lab investigation, sixth is the medical and social family history, and next is the cause of death. So, this is all about the coding of MEDRA. MEDRA was developed by ICH, that is International Conference Harmonization. It is owned by the International Federal of Pharmaceutical Manufacture and the Association, that is IFPMA, and maintained by the MSSO, that is Maintenance and Support Service Organization, that is responsible for updating and maintaining the MEDRA and distributing the terminology on license to user in the industry and regulatory agency. Next point is MEDRA will be updated twice in year. First in the month of March, which comes a 0.0 version, that is 0.0 version, and second in the month of September, which comes in first version. MEDRA dictionary will be pharmaceutical database on or before first Monday of day and the November respectively. This is all about the updation or updated MEDRA dictionary. Next point is the purpose of using MEDRA. First purpose is to aggregate report term in a medical meaningful grouping for the purpose of reviewing and analyzing the safety data. Second is to improve the consistency in comparing and understanding safety signal and aggregate clinical trials or clinical data. Next point is to manage electronic data interchange of clinical safety information. This is all about the purpose of MEDRA. Next is the objective of MEDRA. The first is the record data accurately, pressure, specificity and meaning. And next is in uniform and consistent manner. Next is the MEDRA hierarchy. So in MEDRA hierarchy, the first is the system organ class. Next is the high level group term. Next is the high level term, then the preferred term and low level term. So the hierarchy of MEDRA discuss one by one. The first is the SOC. The SOC is a stand for system organ class, the highest level of hierarchy that provided the broad concept for a data retrieval. Then SOC, investigational, surgical, medical procedure and social circumference are dependent. So that means the SOC are classified into the investigational, surgical, medical procedure and social circumference. Social circumstance. Example, cardiovascular system, nervous system, vascular system, etc. Then the next is the high level group term, that is HLGT, An HLGT is a more general grouping category for one or more related HLT. The HLT are linked by the anatomy, pathology, physiology, etiology or functions. This is all about the HLGT. Then the next point is the HLT, that means high level term. The high level term is a general category that is more or grouping of level term than a coding term. HLT link the PT related to its anatomy, physiology, pathology, etiology and functions. Examples: HLT, bronchospasm and bronchospasm and obstruction. Then after that, preferred term. The characteristics of preferred term is no limit to the amount of LLS that can be associated with the single PT, called as the preferred term. Then the last is the LLT. The LLT means low level term. In low level term, include the Laxell variant and synonyms. The Laxell variant means interchange of wording. For example, increase favor, they are converted into the favor increase. And the next is the synonyms. The synonyms means same word. This is all about the MedDRA and objective of MedDRA, purpose of MedDRA and hierarchy of MedDRA. So thank you.